Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will do the reading session of the chapter 3, that is taking care of yourself. अपना देखभाल करना, अपना ध्यान रखना है ना। तो सबसे पहले इस चैप्टर का हम लोग जो है आज रीडिंग करेंगे। आप ध्यान से सुनिए कि कौन से वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे हो रहा है, और उस प्रोनाउंसिएशन को आपको जो हार्ड वर्ड्स है जो लग रहा है आप उसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए घर पे, ताकि आप अपने रीडिंग को सुधार सकें। सो लेट अस बिगिन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ रीडिंग सेशन। ओके, यू नीड अ हेल्दी बॉडी टू enjoy the things you do. What are the things you need to stay healthy? First is food and water. The energy you need to work and play comes from food. So you must eat healthy food at the right times. About 3/4 of your body is water. Also, a lot of the work that goes on in your body, like digestion, needs water. So you must drink plenty of water. Next is good sleep. Good sleep. The muscles in your body are attached to your bones. When you when they contract, they make different parts of your body move. They work very hard the whole day, so they need a good rest at night. Your brain also works very hard during the day. When you sleep, your brain puts in order all that you have heard, seen, felt, and learnt the whole day. It stores important things and forgets useless things. Next one is exercise. Your muscles work when you exercise. Your body sends more blood to the muscles when they work. Blood carries food and oxygen. This feeds the muscles and they become strong. So, exercise makes your muscles stronger. Teeth and gums. Germs called bacteria live in your mouth. They grow on the food sticking to your teeth and gums. They produce substances that make to that make your mouth smell bad. These substances also eat away your teeth. Then you then your teeth hurt and get holes or cavities. Your gums can also become painful and puffy. You must rinse your mouth with water every time you eat. Brush your teeth twice a day and clean your tongue. This will wash away all the food and not let bacteria harm your teeth. Okay, so see the next topic, which is scalp, skin and scalp. You must bath and wear clean clothes every day. You must wash your hair with shampoo or soap at least once a week and comb it every day. If you do not keep your skin and scalp clean, sweat and dirt collect on them. This makes the germs on your skin very happy. They grow very fast. Germs can cause a bad smell, rashes, pimples, dandruff, and so on. Hands and feet. Germs stick to your hands. They hide under long, dirty nails. So you must wash your hands well before eating and cut your nails regularly. Dirty and sweaty feet are also places germs like. Wear clean socks. Wash your feet when you come home from school or after playing. Keep your toenails trimmed. Eyes and nose. The eyes, ears, and nose are called sense organs because they help you sense things. The other two senses you have are touch and taste. Do not rub your eyes when something enters them. This can harm the eyes. Wash your eyes with clean water. Do not read in dim light or while lying down. This tries the eyes. Sorry, this tires the eyes. Watching television for too long is also bad for the eyes. The insides of your ears and nose are very delicate. Do not use sharp things to clean them. You may get hurt. Do not use your nails either. Nails are also sharp. Besides, your nail will get dirty. It is bad manners to clean your ears with a soft towel or cloth after bathing. And use a handkerchief or tissue to clean your nose. Okay, what you have to do? You have to read at least 4 paragraphs and send to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.